All right, game. So you have to be extremely patient with this game. If we go back here, you have to be extremely patient with this. As price, did not make this move until, around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. This move did not happen until about 6 o'clock, 6:15. We didn't see price break this trend line. We drew our trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, what this lets us know that we're heading back down. It creates a yellow candlestick star and then black candlestick. This could be an even star pattern again as well. And price heads all the way back down to zero, 1973. We can see price even going back down to 1965, 27 extension. And now we're in a downtrend. Price was making what? Lower lows. It will make a what? A lower high. Draw your trend line. Boom. Be patient. Be super patient with this market. And I know you have to be extremely patient when it comes to trading. Because you can be impulsive. Impulsive traders is a thing when you get in this market impulsively because you're looking at candlestick patterns and you have to be super patient and you get in impulsively and then the market stops you out. No, you have to be patient. You have to draw your Fibonacci. Draw your Fibonacci. Price will consolidate at what? 0.786 Fibonacci, 0.618. It'll usually consolidate as it'll usually go to 0.618 and then start consolidating at 0.786. Once price gets to 0.786, you pay special attention. It was consolidating at here. You see wicks is consolidating and making small candlesticks. This lets us know that price buyers are losing momentum and that sellers could be coming in and bringing price back down. What do we see? Sellers, we see after price was consolidating, it went up a little bit further, all the way back up to 2020, 2002.42, and then what? We see this bearish engulfing pattern, black candlestick engulfing this yellow candlestick, and brace this trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, we can enter for sales. Again, we can enter for sales. Gang, once price breaks this trend line, we can enter for sales. It breaks this trend line, boom, around 6 o'clock. We have to be extremely impatient with the market. Gang, that's how I trade. I'm being extremely impatient with this market, because, I'm risking my money in this account. I'm risking my money. I don't have as much money as, traders that have bigger accounts than me. I'm still working my way up to build my account. So me personally, I'm waiting. I'm waiting super. I know some traders that will have got in as soon as they seen price consolidating and because they know price is going to head back down. Me, I'm waiting. I'm being super patient because I don't have that much money. I don't have as much money as a couple of my mentors and traders that have at least 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 80,000 in their account. So they can afford to get in early, and ride this out and be in a negative a little bit as you should have got in around 1999, or 0.786 exactly when price started consolidating. Price has all the way up from if you would have got in at 1995, price has all the way up to 2022. And you don't have a big enough account, you still have like $1,000 or 2,000 or less in your account, you have to be, super patient. Even with 3,000, 4,000, depending on your lot size, what lot size you're using, you have to be super patient. So I'm being super patient. I'm waiting. I'm not trying to over leverage, as this is my live account, and I'm not trying to over leverage too much money. This is how I pay my bills. I'm a full-time trader, but that comes with this can easily have been a stop out. Price is having the 27 extension right now, 1965. But this could have been an easy stop out for me right here if I would have never been patient. I have to wait till price actually shows me um and this is how I trade. I'm waiting for price to actually show me, that price is breaking this trend line, and then I can enter around 2001 and ride this all the way down to 27 extension. It goes right to 27 extension, 1965. We see black candlesticks going right to 27 extension right now. Boom, hit 27 extension and we're out this trade. Gang, like we're out this trade. Price just hit 27 extension. Boom, once price hits 27 extension, boom, we're out this trade 1965. And that's how exactly I would have played it. I would have waited though. I'm waiting super patient because I can't afford to lose too much money. This will take the pressure off of you. You can see once price gets to 27 extension, what is price doing? Retesting back up. But this will um, this will like this will like bring some of the pressure off of you if you just wait, if you're just patient. I'm being super patient because I don't want to get in too early at 1997, just because I know some traders that they'll get right in because they know, okay, price is consolidating. It is. It's consolidating at 0.786 Fibonacci. This lets me know that, okay, price is heading back down. We know the price is heading back down because it's consolidating. But I'm waiting and super, super patient. I know price is going to go up probably a little bit more further, and it does. It goes all the way up to 2022 before I enter in this market because I just don't want to get stopped out. I don't want to get stopped out by getting in this market too early. So every trader is different, but I know I'm trading with real money, and we see price rejecting off of 27 extension and heading back up. But I'm just a little different. Every trader is a little different. As we go back out, you can see, price goes right to 27 extension, right to take profit 14, 1965. Now price is heading back up. It's pushing back up. After this move from 2002 all the way down to 1965, take profit 14. So I'm being patient, gang. Like I said, I'm being very, very patient with this market. I'm not risking too much money, and I'm just waiting. I'm waiting and letting price, head up. I know price once price gets to 0.618, I know it's going to probably, test up a little bit more. It's probably going to go up a little bit more before breaking this trend line. And what does price make? Price will make this formation. Like, you have to put it all together, gang. Like, price will what? Go up to take profit. It'll go all the way up to take profit, making going all the way up. Boom. Once price breaks this trend line, it heads back down, right? Like, you have to draw your trend line. Price breaks this trend line, shows us an even star pattern, breaks this trend line, and basically goes back to 1975, right? But look at this pattern that it makes. Gang, price will make this pattern. You have to put it together. Price makes what? A double top pattern. It'll either make what? It'll either make a double bottom pattern, which will make a W formation, or it'll make a double top pattern, making an M formation. It makes a double top pattern. This is an M formation right here, gang. And it will do this at the top of an uptrend. It won't just go down. It'll go down, head back up, make the second top. It'll go up, make the first top, head back down, right back down to 0, take profit 15 before going back up to 2022, 2021, before making a second top, making this information go boom, right back down to 27 extension, take profit 14. Just like here, gang, like price made this W formation. It will make a double bottom pattern when it's before heading back up, and continuing its uptrend. It'll go down, head back up, go down again, creating a W formation before going to take profit 14, 27 extension. Same thing here. Once price gets up here, that's at the end, that's at the bottom of a downtrend. It'll do this. At the top of an uptrend, it'll make a double bottom pattern. It makes a double bottom pattern, a double top pattern, excuse me. At the top of an uptrend, it'll make a double top pattern. So we just have to put it together, gang. I'm doing all this so you'll be able to be consistent and be able to become profitable. I want you to become profitable and make money in this market, And this is what I do. I trade full time. This is how I trade, gang. I've been trading for a long time, and you have to take it very, very serious. You have to actually concentrate and be able to recognize the candlestick patterns. You have to wait for price to get to 0.618 Fibonacci. Draw your Fibonacci. Draw your take. Have your take profit levels on here. Like everything, gang. You have to put it all together. Fundamental news. Like we put everything together. This is the reason why gold went all the way up here. Now this is a new high. 2022. We haven't seen price get all the way up to 2022 since since March of in March and February prior before that beginning of the pandemic. And now we're seeing sellers pushing price back down. This has a lot to do with the news and people going back to work. Unemployment, NFP went over non-firm payrolls already with the news. All of this comes into effect, and we have to put everything to effect. People are going back to work, so the dollar is going back up. We trade currency against currency, gold over USD. So that means if US dollar is going back up, guess what? Gold's dropping back down, and we can see gold even dropping down even further in this game. You can see gold heading back down to take profit 13, 1945, take profit 12, 1930. Just give it some time, as the dollar is going back up, but this market is not hard, but you have to take it serious. You have to concentrate, gang. Price goes right to 27 extension, gang. So I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.